guys, what's up? Today I'm going to give you some keyboard shortcuts that Mac users can use. If you're a Mac user and you want to check out some cool shortcuts that will help you, then you should definitely watch this video all the way to the end. So the first shortcut I have here is Command G. So if this is like finding a word or something you want on like a web page. I'm just going to go to news.com and say I want to read an article or whatever about something about Apple. So I'm just going to do Command G, and you can see I already searched Apple. So Apple, you can see there's 9 results. Apple. If you want to minimize a window or something like that, you can do Command M. That just minimizes the windows. If you want to find your applications that are open quickly, do Command Tab. If you do that, all the things that are open right now, this is the ones that I have open right now, are going to pop up. And say you want Google Chrome. Okay, Google Chrome right now is the only thing I have open. But if you have anything else open, for example, App Store, you can press Command Tab, and then you can just go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications to get notified every single time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!